Distributive law, distribution law, whatever you want to call it. All this refers to, and we did do this in term 1, is that whenever you have something being multiplied, and it looked like this in your textbook, whenever you have something being multiplied with a bracket with more than one term in it, so if it's 2 terms, 3 terms, doesn't matter, then you are going to multiply that first number or variable or whatever with each term inside the bracket. Not everything inside the bracket, each term. So there was 1, 2 terms. We multiply the a with each of those terms. So if we look at this first example, we have a 4 that's being times with a bracket that has 1, 2 terms in it, x, and -3. So our 4 is going to be times with the x and with the -3, so that we have 4x. 4 times -3 is -12, or -12, same thing. So that we have 4x is -12 is equal to 2x plus 6. Then if we want our 2x, which is a plus 2x, to move to the other side of the equation, we will be subtracting 2x. If we want our -12 to move to the other side of the equation, we will plus 12. So that we have 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 6 plus 12, which is 18. Therefore, when we divide by 2 on each side of the equation, we will have x is equal to 9. So just to recap, the distributive law came into play with this 4 times a bracket. We multiplied the 4 with each term inside of the bracket, and then we went on as usual. Let's look at this one example from our textbook that was in the exercise. So over here we have 2x squared minus 7. Then here this term, okay, because we have 1, 2, 3 terms currently on our left-hand side of the equation. In this third term, we have a minus x that is being multiplied with a bracket. So our minus x, not just x, the whole product, negative x minus x, whatever, is going to be times with 2x and with 1, as I wrote here below. So we have 2x squared minus 7. That has not changed, so you copy and paste it as you write. Then we have minus x times 2x. So we know this is going to be negative. 1 times 2 is 2, and x times x is x squared. And then we have a minus x times a 1, which is just minus x. So now, of course, in grade 8, we don't really work with squares. We don't work with quadratic equations. So you'll see usually in grade 8, when you see a square somewhere in the equation, the additive inverse will also be there, and we will have 0. So when we take 2x squared minus 2x squared, we have 0. So we're left with minus 7 minus x is 0. Now we make sure x is on one side and numbers on the other side. So you can just do this, and it's really up to you which one you want to move, but I'm going to move the minus x in this case to the other side by adding x on each side of the equation, so that negative 7 is equal to x. If you had decided to move the minus 7 by plussing 7 and then dividing by -1, you would have gotten the same answer.